were discussing how we will go about our workload in Greece. Then we suggested, I just now I asked Father Vinyan Das, do you have the chronicles? This is the first event, first time physically, the different different batches of the community, I think 34 are here. Thanks to God that at least 34 made it. And many things are asked in the history of the church, and it's very important gathering. It's not a simple gathering, it's a very important gathering for the history of the church in India. I was asked Father Das to prepare the chronicles. These are the first things happening. Then I was checking how many office bearers meeting. I was telling I need an associate director, because my workload was so heavy. I was just refreshing the previous office bearers meeting. Almost 6 office bearers meeting I reported. Then only they gave the permission. Then I requested a full-time director, but they told no, let it be associate, continue with that. Then God brought the engineer who was a company manager in Hyderabad, left the job and the salary to serve the Lord and became a priest, and Jesus is priest. And he was working in the Diocese of Kohima in a village parish, in a village rural forest area. From there only God picked him up to help us in the family expanded. The family expanded. Meanwhile, we had a discussion with Father Chetan. There are a lot of youngsters, they wanted to do something for the church in India. That was the beginning of the missionary animation program of the Communion Missionary Animation Program. It was Father Chetan designed the first program. I don't know how many of you are from Goa batch, first batch, anybody? Again, you all are from the Goa batch. It was Father Chetan's design. I gave the full consent when the program developed. Then second one in Udupi. How many of you are here? Udupi, right? Okay. Then now the regional. Then the Delhi program. How many of you are Delhi? Delhi. Okay, right. Delhi program shift happened. Little bit Sister Amrita and Father Das and more. Now fully they will involve in the designing the program. Just now they are back from Guwahati after regional same missionary. Now 3 batches trained. One who went to Arunachal Formation Exposure Program, and Jessica's story I was very touching. And no Wi-Fi, no connectivity, almost 2 weeks inside the forest, no washroom, nothing is there, only river, forest. But we have to live with them. That's the experience you all had. Now they are planning another batch to take 2 rallies. They are planning the 2 rallies. Then I see the God's plan, how the God's plan. Then your number became almost 90 or 95. I used to tell Father Das for all of them now, they are very talented boys. They are very much dedicated and committed girls. So graceful. They wanted to do something. But because of the office administration was very heavy, we had 200 projects. 200 projects are ongoing. That means all the process. But one would be, I am responsible to God. It should be transparent. We do not know who is contributing. I met one lady, that should tell 5 days, she's working in a laundry. She's working in a laundry, and she said 5 days I work for my family, and 1 day I work for the church mission. 1 day, the poor lady. Once I visited a Raike parish in Andaman. I was with Archbishop John Barba. He was celebrating Mass in their tribal language, not in Odia. That day we collected a mission Sunday. It's a big parish with 40 foreign substations. Substations are in the forest. And they told us, Father Stephen is here, let him receive the mission Sunday collection. Then the parish leader, one lady person came and with 7 lakhs. I don't know, was it 7 lakhs or 70,000? No, 7 lakhs. With the tears in my eyes, I received that box of money they collected. I don't know how many of you know that Kandamal area. If they have work, they have only 150 rupees per day. Per day. They don't have round the year the work. Maybe 100 days, 150 days. Their earning is per day is 150. And they every day they contribute something. Not once in a year. The poor people contribute every day something for the church mission. That's why certain lakhs is coming. With the tears I receive, I told the story to bishops. How our poor people are contributing for the church mission. Then more than the money, but the solidarity, more than the serving the Jesus, that's very important. The money flow will come. Administration was very heavy. Father Das was involved in the office administration, projects, applications, accounts, filing to have somebody to accompany you. That's why Sister Margarita, God walked through another ways. Sister Margarita, a sister with full of passion. You really came to know that, Sister Margarita. I've seen her in different places with full of passion for Jesus. And she was already collaborating with us Holy Channel and Pontifical Mission Organizations. I met her general, the provincial. The request and her approach was a little bit happy because serving, sparing one a talented sister, no provincial will do that. But that's why she was a little bit, but then she said yes. Then all God's plan. Then Sister Margarita dies from the Charles Borromeo congregation was appointed. Family is expanding. Still more, we have dreams, we have plans. Then we were thinking how we can connect with more people. You know the Catholic Connect. You are wearing your t-shirt, some of your t-shirts are Catholic Connect t-shirt. With Catholic Connect in it. It was not Catholic Connect, it was Communion Connect. Go back and dig those with the research in the Church in India's history, this Communion and Catholic Connect, if they refer back the minutes discussion of the bishops, it was not a Catholic Connect, it was Communion Connect. Make the communion connect with everybody. That was the project proposal, first discussed, then slowly more. And I know that it's become a big project so that we disconnected from communion, it became Catholic Connect. The Catholic Connect, that's it is all connected with the mission. It's not separated entities. When you are communion volunteers, you have to involve fully for the Lord's mission. These are some of the verticals for you, how you can fully engage yourself for the mission. In the Catholic Connect,